Oh, hi. Hi. Do you want to go walk around with me? Sure. Where's your dog? Oh, he's just staying in his bed. He doesn't really want to walk around. Don't know if he could walk. Sorry. So good to drink lemons. Yeah, I know. That boy looks like he's gonna be new to our school. He does have the same height as you. Yeah. Let's go to the bus and hang out at the school. Outside the school. Pretend this is like a different bus. Oh right, I forgot. There's a place for wheelchair people. Oh my. It's time. Okay, let's go, bestie. Oh my god, I missed it. Oh, it's boring right now. Oh my god, it's been years and school hasn't been back yet. When it's the last day of August, our college will be starting to be built. Yeah, I know, and an update is coming. Double update is coming tomorrow. Right? Yeah, I know. It's gonna be like super duper exciting. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I heard about it. Yeah, are you excited? Yeah, let's watch it. Let me see it. So the new update is about the farm, but there's comments saying that it's a farm or it's like grow a garden. Yeah, that does make sense. Yeah. Can't you believe it? Yeah, I know, right? Like, I'm so excited. Yeah. Super exciting. Kind of bored about things. Hey. Oh, hi. Who are you? Oh, I'm new here. I just moved. I'm from America. Are you guys in the same country? No, we live in this country. We were born in this country. I'm from Japan. Oh, really? Yeah, I'm from Japan. Having a good time and having good stuff. And yeah. My parents bought me a toy since I was 3 years old. Oh, okay. What's your story? My story was like when I was 2 years old, my parents bought me a toy rabbit. And then I started to like dogs. Okay. My story was like when I was 3 years old, I got a toy car. Yeah, and a Lego. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, Debba toys. Yeah, I know. So how was your story at school? My story at school, it was like I had to dress up, pack my things, eating breakfast. You still brush your teeth? Yeah. Okay. And her bestie is mine. Ooh, I think she has a crush on that guy. Feel like it? Out of bestie's mine. Yeah, and okay, and this update is gonna be so exciting for tomorrow. Double update. I missed it that times. Yeah. I'm so excited about tomorrow. Hopefully nothing ruins our day. Yeah. But tonight I'm gonna be gone. But still gonna celebrate the date. Wait, what do you mean tonight? Really? Yeah, you didn't even tell us. You moving to Hawaii? Oh yes, how did you know? Oh, I just know Hawaii is just a good is the best place for girls to go on vacations. Yeah, I know. Oh, remember last time that I told you I was going to a mall and you forgot you were going there? Yeah. What? Wait, part 3 coming.